Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a review video about Nicka K eyeshadow palettes. They've actually become quite famous on the internet, and why would they not? First, they come in so many beautiful shades, and they're also known as the dupe of Huda Beauty eyeshadow palettes. Now I just have one Huda Beauty eyeshadow palette and I love it. I think it's one of the best eyeshadow palette I own, and these come pretty close to it. Like, the pigmentation is not close to Huda, but the kind of shade ranges that you get in Nicka K eyeshadow palettes, I've not seen that in any other affordable eyeshadow palette. Talking about the price, originally they retail for rupees 599, but you can actually get them on discount all the time. I got these for as cheap as 150 rupees, and you can check out Nykaa, Hawk Makeup, Purple, Amazon, Flipkart. You'll find them anywhere, and mostly they are on sale. I've previously too used these palettes a lot of times, so I know I like them. But for today's video, I'm actually going to use one of these palettes and create a look right in front of you, so that you guys can make a judgment on whether or not you should be buying these palettes. So before starting the video, you guys know, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and help me reach 1000 subscribers. And now I won't take much of your time. Let's just start the video. So I've chosen this Mocha Mix palette to work with today. Basically, it has a lot of neutrals and browns shades, so it's a very versatile palette if you want to start with just one eyeshadow palette. First, I'm taking this lightest shade right in the middle, the brown shade, with a fluffy blending brush. So as I'm taking the color, there is already a lot of fallout happening, so that is definitely a con with this palette. So just tap your brush a little before applying the shadow on your face. I'm using this shade to define my crease and blending well. If you have seen my hooded eyes video, you would know that we need to create a fake crease for our eyes to look bigger. You can already see how pigmented this is. I did not even need to build it up. Next, I'm going to take this shade right here to just define my crease a little bit more. This shade surprisingly has less fallout than the previous shade. The pigment on this shade also is again very good. Now for defining my outer corner, I'm taking this darkest brown shade. Again, this has a lot of fallout. Just going to place it on my outer V and start blending. Now as you can see, the pigmentation of this shade is kind of okayish. It's not as dark as it was looking in the palette. I'm just placing it, a little bit of it, on the inner corner also. So I have already built this shade quite a lot, but still you can see it's not looking as dark. So yeah, I think the darker shades need to be built up a little. After blending quite a lot, I was able to achieve this result, but now if you look at it, it doesn't look bad, right? So I think it's an okay trade-off. If you're getting a palette this cheap, you can spend some more time building up the color. Next, I'm again taking my blending brush and this light shade we used in the beginning. Just go over my crease a little bit again and blend everything. Now comes my favorite part of this palette. The shimmer shades are absolutely gorgeous. I'm going to take this shade right here, and I'm just using my finger to apply it because that way the shimmer shades turn out to be better. So here I'm applying the shimmer shade all over my eyelids, starting from the center of my eyelids, and you can already see how beautiful it is looking. The shimmers in this palette have a beautiful foiled eyeshadow kind of a look, which I absolutely love. I also added a little bit of that dark brown shade back on my crease. Now I'm taking the same dark brown eyeshadow to apply it on my waterline. And that's the final eye makeup. I applied mascara off camera, and I think this palette has done a pretty decent job. So I personally love this eye makeup, and I love these palettes too. That's why I have so many of them. Yes, I don't think that they are a true copy or dupe of Huda Beauty, because Huda Beauty pigments are beautiful, but in this kind of a price range, these are one of the best eyeshadow palettes that you can lay your hand on. So just look out for Amazon, Flipkart, Hawk Makeup, Purple, wherever you can find them on a sale, and just grab these beauties. And with that, this was the end of today's video. I hope you liked it. If you liked it, let me know in the comments, and also follow me on Instagram for more such content, and I'll see you in my next video very soon. Bye.